Hello friends. In this video we will discuss about 8 health benefits of pistachios. Pistachio nuts are not only tasty and fun to eat, but also super healthy. These edible seeds of the Pistacia vera tree contain healthy fats and are a good source of protein, fiber, and antioxidants. Here are 8 evidence-based health benefits of pistachios. Loaded with nutrients. Pistachios are very nutritious, with a 1 ounce, 28-gram, serving of about 49 pistachios, containing the following. Calories, 159. Carbs, 8 grams. Fiber, 3 grams. Protein, 6 grams. Fat, 13 grams, 90% are unsaturated fats. Potassium, 6% of the reference daily intake, RDI. Phosphorus, 11% of the RDI. Vitamin B6, 28% of the RDI. Thiamine, 21% of the RDI. Copper, 41% of the RDI. Manganese, 15% of the RDI. Pistachios are high in protein, fiber, and antioxidants. They also boast several other important nutrients, including vitamin B6 and potassium. High in antioxidants. Pistachios are among the most antioxidant-rich nuts around. They're high in lutein and zeaxanthin, both of which promote eye health. Low in calories, yet high in protein. Pistachios contain fewer calories and more protein than most other nuts. Also, their essential amino acid content is higher than any other nut. May aid weight loss. Eating pistachio nuts may aid weight loss. In-shell pistachios are especially beneficial as they promote mindful eating. Promote healthy gut bacteria. Pistachios are high in fiber, which is good for your gut bacteria. Eating pistachios may increase the number of bacteria that produce beneficial short-chain fatty acids, like butyrate. May lower cholesterol and blood pressure. Studies show that eating pistachios may help lower blood cholesterol. It may also lower blood pressure more than other nuts. May promote blood vessel health. Pistachio nuts may play an important role in promoting blood vessel health. That's because they are rich in L-arginine, which, when converted into nitric oxide, helps dilate your blood vessels. May help lower blood sugar. Pistachios have a low glycemic index, which might promote lower blood sugar levels. Please consider subscribe. Thank you for watching.